In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on this Chevy Colorado. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Grab the wheel and pull it off. Now we're going to loosen up the bleeder screw before we take the nuts off. Take this cap off. Use a 10mm wrench, just crack it free. And then just snug it up just so it's not leaking. Now we'll take these two caliper bolts out. Use a 12mm socket. Take those out. Those bolts out, take the caliper off. If you have to, use a prying tool, a pry bar, just take that off. Then use a brake caliper hanger and just hang it out of the way. Take the brake pads off. Now take these two caliper bracket bolts out, use a 18mm socket, loosen those up. Take those out. Grab the bracket, slide it off. Now I'm going to use a T30 socket, take this screw out. And we'll grab the rotor. If the rotor's stuck on, you're going to want to give it a hit with a hammer in those locations. And slide it off. Now just take a thin coat of anti-seize. On the hub surface, just to prevent corrosion in the future. Take the rotor, where this extra hole is, you want to line that up with the threaded hole on the hub. Get that lined up. You want the parking brake shoes just lightly touching the rotor, so you can use a pry bar and just adjust at the adjuster. There's also a window on the back side that you could adjust it while the rotor's on. If it makes it easier for you. So that's too tight. I'm just going to pull it off. Oh. And adjust it down a little bit. About 2.5 turns. If it's too tight, that should be good. And take the screw, get that started, snug it down. Now we're going to clean up the caliper. We want to take these clips off. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Take those off. And we're going to clean up the bracket. Just use a wire brush, get some of the corrosion and rust off. Do the same on the other side. Take a thin coat of silicone or some brake caliper lubricant. And take the clips. Install the clips. Same on the other side. That's good. And we'll take out the pins. Just grab the pin. Use a little brake parts cleaner. Wipe it down. You can use one of these pipe cleaner style brushes. clean out the bore with a little brake parts cleaner. Wipe that out the best you can. Check the boot, make sure the boot looks good. If you need to, replace the boot. And take a little silicone paste or brake caliper lubricant. And reinstall it. Make sure the boot seals properly. And we'll do the same on the other side. Oops. And there we go. This brake pad with the studs is going to go on the outside. This one that's flat is going to go on the inside where the piston goes. And then there's a little squealer or a warning indicator that is going to go at the base of the pad. So you want to install that right there. So that's going to install on the inside at the base. Now take the bracket on. It's recommended you use new bolts. Get those started. I'm going to tighten these down. Torque these to 74 foot-pounds. And then go an additional 15 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle meter, do the best you can. That's good. Take the brake pads. That flat one's going to go on the inboard side, and the one with the two studs is going to go on the outboard side, just like that. Now take the hanger off the caliper. I'm just going to take one of the old brake pads, put it in there, just using the compressing tool, caliper compressing tool. Before I compress the piston, we're going to put the 10mm wrench on the bleeder screw and the brake hose, or just a hose. This is just to prevent a mess. If you want, you can just use a drain bucket. And we'll crack open the bleeder screw. And now, as we compress the piston into the caliper, the brake fluid's going to come through the hose instead of going back into the system. Just go nice and slow. All right, that's completely compressed. Before we take the tool off, just close the bleeder screw. Snug that down. You take the hose off. And we can take the compressing tool off and the brake pad. Slide the caliper over the brake pads. Put the bolts in. I torque these to 25 foot-pounds. Tighten down the bleeder screw. That's snug. Take the cap, put that on. If you need to, you can use a little brake parts cleaner, clean that up. Now, under the hood, you want to check the brake fluid level at the master cylinder reservoir. You want it up to where the max line is, and you can adjust accordingly. And put the wheel on. lug nuts on. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.